Welcome to a flavorful journey into the world of curry leaves. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing insights. In this video, we're about to uncover some lesser known and captivating facts about curry leaves. Unknown and interesting facts about curry leaves. Not related to curry powder. Despite the name, curry leaves are not related to curry powder. They belong to the Rutaceae family and are commonly used in South Asian and Southeast Asian cuisines. Aromatic powerhouse. Curry leaves are renowned for their distinct and strong aroma, adding a unique depth of flavor to dishes. They are often used for tempering in many Indian and Sri Lanka recipes. Rich in nutrients, these humble leaves are a rich source of vital nutrients, including iron, calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin A. They offer numerous health benefits, such as aiding digestion and promoting hair growth. Culinary versatility. While curry leaves are widely used in Indian cooking, they are also a key ingredient in various dishes in Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and other parts of Asia. Medicinal properties. Curry leaves have been traditionally used in Ayurvedic and herbal medicine for their potential health benefits, including reducing cholesterol levels and managing diabetes. Hair care superstars. Curry leaves are known for their role in promoting hair health. They can help combat dandruff, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce hair loss. Easy to grow. You can easily grow a curry leaf plant in your garden or even in a pot on your windowsill. Fresh curry leaves are a delightful addition to your culinary creations. Anti-inflammatory. Curry leaves contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate various ailments and promote overall well-being. A symbol of prosperity. In Indian culture, curry leaf plants are often associated with good fortune and are commonly planted in homes and gardens for their positive symbolism. Digestive health. Curry leaves are known for their digestive properties. They help in reducing indigestion and nausea. Consuming a few curry leaves daily can aid in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Diabetes management. Curry leaves may assist in regulating blood sugar levels. They contain compounds that can lower the rate at which starch is broken down into glucose in the bloodstream. Cholesterol control. These leaves are believed to have cholesterol-lowering properties, which can be beneficial for heart health. They may help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Anti-inflammatory. Curry leaves contain anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help in alleviating various inflammatory conditions in the body. Hair care. Curry leaves are a popular remedy for hair health. They can help in reducing hair fall, preventing premature graying, and promoting hair growth. Rich in antioxidants. They are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin A, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radicals. Support for eye health. The high vitamin A content in curry leaves is beneficial for eye health. It can help prevent conditions like night blindness and promote good vision. Weight management. Some studies suggest that curry leaves may aid in weight management by improving metabolism and helping in the breakdown of fats. Wound healing. The leaves are used in traditional medicine for their potential wound healing properties. They can be applied topically to minor wounds and cuts. Aid in respiratory health. In some traditional systems of medicine, curry leaves are used to relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. From their aromatic essence to their significant health benefits, curry leaves are an essential ingredient in many kitchens worldwide. So, remember to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of food and culture.